شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس.
This Ramadan, prepare to immerse yourself reciting the Quran with IQRA Studio. When you hear your voice beautified with surround sound and reverb technology, you will not want to stop reciting the Quran. IQRA Studio is a great motivational tool to help you enjoy reciting the Quran. You can perfect your tajweed, record your voice, and share it with the world. IQRA Studio will help bring you and your families closer to the Quran this Ramadan.
Comfort meets clarity. This adjustable foldable headset features a 360 degrees studio mic and pop filter for crystal clear audio. Line up the flat sides of the microphone with the slot and plug the microphone in. Attach the pop filter for clearer audio. Simple controls for power, volume, reverb, and auto boost. Includes C to C cable for Android.